Ellie.
Hi, I'm Rory.
And we are the KodeKLIX kids from KodeKLIX. Today, we will be showing you some tips and tricks on how to pack away the KodeKLIX kit properly.
First, you should know that there is no right or wrong way to do this, but it's helpful if you pack it away neatly so you can get working next time more efficiently, and it is neat and tidy if someone else wants to use it.
Firstly, you should notice that there is a big empty area in the middle of the kit. This is not only to store big items such as the Quick Start Guide and baseboard, but it is also to store unfinished projects into your kit so you can continue working on it next time.
Secondly, you'll notice that there are larger square tubs and smaller rectangular tubs. What we like to do is use the big square tubs for larger items like cables, battery packs and fan attachments, which can be tricky to store in the smaller tubs. The rectangular tubs we use to store longer items like inputs, outputs and the links.
Lastly, you should also notice that there are some links that are too big to fit in any of the tubs. Just store these in the middle area.
Close the lid and clip it tight so the bits don't fall out. And now you are done.
See you next time.